If you want to make travel-related channel like Touropia, this video is for you. This channel is making $670 to $10.7K. Step 1, ChatGPT. So give the prompt to chat according to this video. So the script is generating now. So copy the script. Go to 11labs.io and paste it. So the audio is generating now. Generating now. Click download icon to download this audio. Go to canva.com. Select elements. Search drone shorts on video section. Add 2 to 3 videos to make intro part. Upload voiceover audio file. Drag this file to here. Then add Moper page. You can add general types of video, such as nature, city, to make intro. So add the videos part by part. Then select text. Then select add a heading. Channel name. Edit text size and color as your choice. Add some effects to make the text attractive. Then add subheading. Customize your text. This is intro, so add heading. Type top 5 places to visit. Edit text size and colors according to your choking. You can also add effects on the text. You You also have to sync audio with video. Now you have to add city name according to your script. So copy the city name now. Search that on the Elements section. Now add video according to the city names. Also sync the video with voiceover. Now add the city name. Edit text size, colors according to your Choki. You can also add some effects and animation to your text. Now copy the city name from the script. Search that city name on the Elements section. Select that city video. Add video step by step. Do the same step. Transient. You can add transition to all page between. You can also add background music.
Buongiorno, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Time to Travel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the enchanting country of Italy. Italy is a land of rich history, stunning art, and delectable cuisine. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 places to visit in Italy, each with its unique charm and unforgettable highlights. So, without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in the beauty of Italy. Number 5, Venice. Venice, the city of canals, is a true marvel. Explore the intricate network of canals, visit St. Mark's Basilica, and take a romantic gondola ride through the enchanting waterways. Don't forget to indulge in traditional Venetian cuisine at a local trattoria. Number 4, Florence. Florence, the heart of the Renaissance, is a treasure trove of art and history. Admire Michelangelo's David